Hi, we're at Lingganay, and as you can see, our bed is a mess, and we still have dirty dishes on our table, and we're going to the restaurant.
It's morning.
It's morning.
Yeah.
Almusal. It's 9.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. That's the view. Let's go. Follow me. You can see so many stairs. I'm so hungry, babe.
I'm hungry too.
Because we didn't eat last month. But we are so full. We eat a lot every day. That's why our schedule of eating is not on time. Because we eat a lot. Very peaceful, right, babe?
Very what?
Peaceful.
Peaceful, yes.
You can hear the birds.
And there's some golf carts around and some people rent motorbikes.
Yeah.
But
You don't need that. They also offer free shuttle.
they offer what?
Free shuttles.
Oh yeah, free shuttle into
To
D Mall. We'll check that out later today.
Go here.
Yeah, we're going down here.
Don't wear high heels.
Don't wear high heels.
Yeah. That's my advice. When you're in Lingganay, don't wear high heels.
Yeah, this is a very steep ramp. To give you an idea how steep it is, that's normal, that's our incline. Decline, sorry. What?
We forgot the plates. Kami lang yung kukuha. But they said it's okay.
Okay.
Breakfast na. Let's find another place.
Another place to sit? Maybe by the pool? That's a nice
So
spot.
hot.
Yeah, it is pretty hot.
Well, you wanna try
Oh,
inside?
well,
You can try it.
I don't think we want to be in the sun. Maybe we go back to this spot.
Okay.
Or what about over there? That's in the shade.
There's still. Wanna try here, babe?
No?
Try.
Sa restaurant.
How about over there?
O dun sa gilid ng pool.
Mainit sa pool eh. Dito lang.
Dito
Saan ba?
lang.
Yeah, we'll sit over there.
Sige, ganun. Kuha pa ko sa
I'll sit next to you. And we're gonna eat.
Ito na.
Thank you. Nice restaurant. What do you think of Lingganay?
Not here, babe. Don't ask me here.
What?
There are other people here and I can't speak English.
I can't hear you right now.
Maybe they will make fun of me.
Oh,
Yeah, I like the view here.
you do? It's a pretty cool pool. You want to go swimming? Yeah. Like
Come on.
right now?
No, not
We got
now.
food coming.
No, not now. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay. We're going to stay in building 1 or 2. You know,